Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of reading, highlighting, and memorizing information just to forget all the next day? I feel you, I've been there, but it's time to break free from the monotony and make studying a bit more exciting and effective. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 top-notch study techniques that will not only help you retain information better, but also make the whole process a joyful and meaningful experience. So, grab your favorite cuppa, grab a notebook, and let's dive in. Know what your lecturers want. It's crucial to know what your professors expect from you in any course you take. This way, you know what to focus on and what your professors will be looking for when grading your assignments and exams. One trick that I use in identifying what they want is by paying attention to the things they emphasize on in class. Most lecturers like to highlight and emphasize on important aspects of their PowerPoints during their PowerPoint presentations. Being able to identify these is going to be a game changer. Imagine knowing exactly what the professor wants. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. You'll be way ahead of the game and you have the confidence to tackle any examination with ease. 2. Take note that reading is not studying. Active studying is recommended. Reading is a significant part of the studying process, but it's not enough on its own. To retain information better, it's crucial to actively engage with the material. Try summarizing, taking practice quizzes, teaching someone else what you've learned, or even creating flashcards. Summarize the key points of each chapter you study into bullet points. Take practice quizzes to test your understanding. Try teaching the information to a friend or family member, or create flashcards to help you memorize important dates and events. This active engagement helps you process the information in different ways, reinforces your understanding, and makes it more likely to stick in your memory. It also helps you identify any gaps in your knowledge and understand the material even better, which is crucial for future reference. In the end, you not only retain the information better, but also find that studying is a more enjoyable and fulfilling experience. The advantages of this technique is that 1. It enhances retention. You see, active studying helps to reinforce the neural connections in the brain that store the information being learned. This reinforcement makes it easier to recall the information later, which is essential for long-term retention. Again, it promotes deeper understanding. When you actively engage with the material, you're forced to think critically about the information, which can lead to a deeper understanding of concepts. This can help you retain the information more effectively and make it easier to apply it in real-life situations. It helps develop critical thinking skills. Active studying requires you to analyze, interpret, and evaluate the information, which can help you develop your critical thinking skills. These skills are essential for success in academics and in life. It also helps in stimulating brain function. Active studying engages multiple areas of the brain, including the visual, auditory, and kinesthetic regions. This stimulation can help to improve brain function, increase cognitive abilities, and enhance overall brain health. The next study technique I'd like to talk about is to create a study guide by topic. Organize your course material into manageable sections and create a study guide for each topic. This will help you stay focused and see the big picture of what you're learning. You can add illustrations, comic strips, or any creative elements that make the material more interesting and memorable. It's just like decorating a room. You make it more appealing to your eyes and the information sticks better. Another study technique is to become a teacher. Teaching someone else what you've learned is an excellent way to reinforce your own understanding and identify any gaps in your knowledge. You'll be amazed at how much more you remember when you have to explain it to someone else. Plus, you might make a new study buddy in the process. Remember, collaboration is key, and learning with someone else is a valuable experience that will benefit both of you. Derive examples that relate to your own experiences. Making a connection between the material and your own life experiences can make studying a more personal and memorable experience. For example, if you're learning about personal finance, try to relate the concept to your own spending habits. This way, the information will be more meaningful and relevant to you. Plus, it gives you a chance to reflect on your spending habits and make informed decisions. Create concept maps or diagrams that explain the material. Visual aids or concept maps and diagrams can help you see the connections between different concepts and ideas. So don't be afraid to get creative and make your own diagrams or concept maps to help you understand and retain the information better. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you found these 7 study techniques helpful and maybe even a little bit of fun. Remember, studying doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun and a creative process that helps you retain information better and reach your goals with ease. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. And if you have any favorite study tips of your own, be sure to share them in the comments below. We're all in this together, and I can't wait to hear about your studying successes. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. keep crushing it and stay curious.